Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI, one of the smartest tools out there for searching and learning online. So first off, what is Perplexity? Perplexity AI is basically an AI-powered search engine. But unlike traditional search engines like Google Search, it doesn't just give you links, it gives you direct answers with sources. Now let's jump into how to use it. Step 1. Go to the website. Just type Perplexity AI in your browser and open it. You'll see a clean, simple interface with a search bar. Step 2. Type your question. You can ask anything like, "What is AI?" or "Best stocks to buy in 2026," or even "Explain physics in simple terms." Step 3. Hit enter and boom. Perplexity will give you a clear answer. Plus, it will show sources from websites so you can verify the information. Step 4. Use follow-up questions. This is where it gets powerful. You can continue asking questions like a conversation, just like chatting with AI tools such as ChatGPT. Step 5. Try different modes. Perplexity has features like Focus, where you can choose whether you want results from academic sources, YouTube, Reddit, or the web. And here's a pro tip. Always check the sources provided. That's what makes Perplexity super reliable compared to regular search engines. So yeah, that's how you use Perplexity AI. Simple, fast, and super powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.